Hi everyone, my name is Francis. Welcome to this tutorial video about the Surigaonon language. Today we will explore and learn Gigaquitnon, a variety of Surigaonon language spoken in Higakit, Surigao del Norte. Gigaquitnon variety is famously known as Gut-Gut, an identity marker of Gigaquitnon people. Gut-Gut is associated with the intonation pattern, production of schwa sound of some vowels, and the production of the glottal stop. Let's start with the greetings. What do Gigaquitnon people say when they see each other? In Higakit we say, Kumusta? In English, how are you? We also say, Marajaw na buntag? In English, good morning. We also say, Marajaw na hapon? In English, good afternoon. We also say, Marajaw na duyum? In English, good evening. Thank you very much. In Surigaonon language, we say, Salamat karajaw.